Jamaicans will now have greater opportunities to clear their criminal records under new amendments to the Criminal Records Rehabilitation of Offenders Act. It is hoped that the changes will help rehabilitated Jamaicans reintegrate seamlessly into society. We have the details in this report.
For years, advocates, employers, and rehabilitated offenders have argued that a criminal record has become a life sentence after a court-imposed penalty has been served. Persons continue to face barriers to employment, education, and even travel due to past convictions. But change is coming. On Wednesday, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck announced that the Criminal Records Rehabilitation of Offenders Amendment Act 2026 is now in force.
The persons who have paid their debt to society and have demonstrably benefited from reform and rehabilitation should, in appropriate cases, be afforded the opportunity to move forward without the enduring stigma of a criminal record.
The amendments remove certain offenses from the list of crimes that could never be expunged, widening access in appropriate cases to include offenses under the Dangerous Drugs Act. However, serious offenses linked to crimes listed in the third schedule remain ineligible, like offenses involving illegal firearms.
In the present atmosphere, where guns are used to commit many crimes, to kill over 75% of our murders in Jamaica are committed with the use of an illegal gun. It would be inappropriate at this time to expunge any offense where a firearm is involved. If we are to remove offenses with guns, we need to get gun crimes down. And what is happening in our society? Crime is trending down, but it must trend down even much more before we even consider.
Despite the minister's stance, he acknowledged that some believe the reforms do not go far enough. But he insists the changes do not weaken protections.
Rehabilitation is a cornerstone of justice. When individuals have served their sentence, demonstrated reform, and lived law-abiding lives for many years, they should not be indefinitely burdened by past mistakes.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.